Weller Street. What have we got here? It's an opportunity to get into a 2.5-story solid brick home on Weller Street for well under the usual $1 million plus price tag. With approximately $90,000 of essential improvements just completed, including electrical, plumbing, roof, and more, this home is ready to be lived in and updated to your taste. This lovingly cared for home sits on a deep lot on one of Peterborough's premier streets among many other stately properties. This is a spacious family home with 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a walk-in pantry that is a home cook's dream. And can you believe this second-floor family room and sunroom? Living space abounds, but not at the expense of storage. The full-height basement is a large, useful space, leaving the detached solid brick garage free for parking. The deep backyard is a blank slate, ready for your urban garden and outdoor living dreams to become a reality. Come see all that this solid, characterful home has to offer. This is a pre-inspected property.